right, my name is Clarissa and I am coming to you today with Teaching Tip Tuesday, yes. And so today we're going over the strap placement for your reformer. So what that will look like is that when you have your straps in your reformer, you want the big loop slightly snug up against the shoulder block. That will give you a key indication on whether or not your straps are too loose or too tight. You don't want it so tight that it's pulling or that it doesn't even get on top of the strap, but you don't want it too loose where you have more than 2 fingers length or width of slack in between the headrest and the strap. So with that, once you find that happy medium, which this is actually perfect right now, 2 fingers width, then you will place your straps back onto your loops, okay? Then from here, you will lay down into your reformer, setting up for your hands and straps series. So your hands would go into the small loops. You're already in that tabletop, and we'll save the position of tabletop for another day. You bring your arms up towards the ceiling. What we're looking for is that your fingers are in line with your elbows, and your elbows are in line with your shoulders, and everything is already in the middle of your chest, because we already want you to have some tension on your straps. And then from here, you take a deep breath in, and exhale, press your hands down. Inhale, raise them up, keeping the fingers nice and flat to the point where you feel like you're giving a carriage a high five. And that, my friends, is your hands and straps and the placement of where your straps should be when it's time to do that series. I hope that you enjoyed, and until next time, take care.